morning viewers, this is Ali from Praj Fashions. We are specialized in block printing on pure silk, tussar and other kinds of handloom sarees. Now we are going to show you some special designer tussar print and bafta also. So now I will start with the saree number 1. So I'll show you the close-up of the sarees. So these are zari bafta. These are zari bafta. I'm going to show you all the sarees one by one. And these are the zari tussar. As you can see, it's all pure gachi tussar. The price of these sarees are 4950 each piece. And these are bafta. These are 3850. These are 3850 including shipping. We ship all over India. Okay, so I will start with the saree number 1. Okay, show you saree number 1. It's a zari bafta. It's a very pretty saree. You can see the all over floral. I'll show you how it will come. This is the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree, and the full body all over multicolor floral. It's a black color and orange border and pallu with blouse also. Blouse is also orange. So these are zari bafta 3850. The price of this saree is 3850. It's a very pretty one. It's all over same. All over it's a digital print. It's all over same print. This is saree number 1, 3850. This is a pallu and this is a blouse. It's all over same work, all over same print. Now I'm going to show you saree number 2. It's also a zari bafta, or we call it also Munga tussar in West Bengal. This is a fully hand block kalamkari print. As you can see, both stripes zari, both sides of the border. This is the pallu of the saree. It's a combination of red and indigo. It's a combination of red and indigo. This is the look of the saree. This all over kalamkari print throughout the body. This is the border of the saree. So both sides same. Now I'm going to show you the close up, the design. This is the design. It's a green, yellow and running and discharge. This is actually a discharge print. The full saree goes like this, and this will come to the skirt part. It's a half and half. See, this will come to the down part. This is the down part. This is the down part and all over same print. And the blouse is contrast. It has got the red blouse. It has got the red blouse. And the front side full saree is all over same print, all over same kalamkari hand block print. This is the pallu. This is the look of the saree. Now I'm going to show you saree number 3. It's a zari bafta or Munga tussar. This is a combination of parrot green and peach color. It's a very nice color combination. As you can see, this is the pallu of the saree, and the all over it's a digital print. This is all over same. It's all over same. I'll show you the close up of the saree. This is the look of the saree. The combination of peach, orange, brown and white. It's a very pretty saree. It's all over same work, all over same print. And this is the blouse of the saree. This is a 1 meter full blouse. 1 meter full blouse. This is the look of the saree. Now I'm going to show you saree number 4. It's a zari bafta Munga tussar. This is a combination of red and black. Red and black. This is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body plain, and it has got the skirt part. As you can see, The combination of grey and black all over skirt part. Throughout the saree it goes like this. This is a skirt part all over same, and blouse has it's a black blouse. I'll show you the close up of the design. This is the design. It's all over floral skirt part. It's all over same. This is the look of the saree. This is the look of the saree. Now I'm going to show you saree number 5. It is also zari bafta. Bafta is also a very comfortable material. It can be wear in summer, winter, every time, in any seasons you can wear. This is actual a gun spray. It's a combination of as you can see, is a shaded sea green, blue and turquoise blue. This is the body, and this will come to the down part. This is the skirt part. This is the skirt part. As you can see, it's a geometrical pattern. The saree is plain, that's why you have given a full printed blouse, so it will look very nice with this border and blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. Is a full printed, and this is all over body gun spray, and this is a skirt part. It's not very big skirt. It's almost 12 to 14 inches. It's not a very big skirt. It's a very pretty saree. Now we are moving forwards the zari tussar. It's all gachi tussar in a premium quality. I'm going to show you one by one. This is a combination of yellow and rani combination. It's a very traditional print, totally hand block print. As you can see, this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and throughout the sari, this print goes all over same print, The combination of rani and green. As you can see, it's a rani and green. It's a small booty, all over same booty jal, all over print. It's a very nice combination. This is a rani pallu, and blouse has got also rani. As you can see, this is the blouse, 1 meter blouse, and this is a very nice traditional print. It looks very beautiful. This is the look of the saree. Now I'm going to show you saree number 7. It's also a digital print. It's a combination of sea green and orange. Sea green and orange combination. Whole saree has got the zari border, zari part. This is the orange pallu, and the full saree goes like this. This is the full saree. This is a premium quality tussar. As you can see, it falls very well. I'll show you the close-up of the design. See the combination of light deep orange and shades of brown leaves. This is all over same print. So zari border. Every saree has got the zari border. And this is the blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. 1 meter blouse. And this is full. This is the look of the saree. This is the look of the leaves, look of the saree. Very nice. Now the saree number 8. It's also a gun spray and then hand block print. It's a discharge hand block print. This is the pallu of the saree. It's a combination of indigo blue. It's a indigo blue pallu and border, and the blouse is this is the full body. This is the body. This will come it's a rising. The floral comes rising till shoulder. This is the pallu. It's a full hand block print. It's a gun spray. You can see it's a shades of maroon, light brown, mustard yellow. These are all 4950. Zari tussars are 4950. This is the look of the saree. I'll I'll show the close-up of the sari. This is the floral. This is a hand block discharge print on gun spray, and this is the blouse. Contrast blouse. This is an indigo blouse. Has given a border also for sleeves. It's a very pretty sari. So this is the look of the sari. Now I'm going to show you sari number 9. It's also a very nice sari. It's a very tussar. This is a hand block print. This is the pallu of the sari, and throughout the body it's a jal booty. You can see the combination of orange and green all over. No alternate, we have put it a block on each design. The combination of green and orange, combination of green and orange throughout the body, all over same print, all over same print. This is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari, and it has got the black blouse 1 meter. This is the blouse, and this is the full sari like this, all over same print. 4950. Now last sari I'm going to show you, sari number 10. It's a very pretty sari. It's a Chinese floral. It's a very high demandable sari across India. We have done so many colors in the same designs. This is all over same. It's all over fully printed, and this is the pallu. See the pallu, there is a design on the pallu. As you can see, there is a design on the pallu. And the sari, this is the look of the sari. It's a red color, all over same print. As you can see, this is all over same print. I'm going to show you the close-up of the sari. It's a design. It's a Chinese floral. It's a very pretty design, and this is the pallu, and there is a blouse right for this sari. So today I have shown you all the bafta and zari tussar, zari bafta and zari tussar. Zari bafta 5 sari in the first lot which I showed you. Those are 3850, and from 6 to 10, the price of the saris are 4950. It's all premium quality tussar. You will designer sari you will get in Praj Fashions, that I can assure you. Thank you so much.